Hi guys, this is Shiva and we are going to build a complete chart application from scratch without any manual code. So completely with AI. And before going that, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you want to receive our videos further, do on the bell icon. Okay. So no more delays, let's start. Okay. So the technologies we are going to use is Flutter and Supabase. So Flutter as a framework for our application, and Supabase is the backend and database management for the AI chart application. Okay. So and we are going to use the Windsurf as the IDE. Okay. Yes. So before going that, we just need to create an Supabase project. So I already told you, Supabase.com is the platform where we store the data for our application. So that all data would be stored in the cloud. Okay. So if you don't have any account, just go ahead and create a new account. And once you create an account, you'll be having this kind of interface. So once you land this interface, just click on the dashboard and you just need to create an organization if you don't have an organization. So I think I already have an organization, so I click it. And I think we only able to do two projects per organization if you have, if you are using free account. Okay. So I think I only have one project. So I'm going to click a new project, and let's say I just want, I would like to build the chart application, right? So I would give it as a name as chart application. So we also need to create a database password. So and we just need to select the region. This is not re- we can select any of them, but yeah, we are all India, right? So go ahead and create new. So once you created the account, you will be see this kind of interface. So as this is a project overview. Okay. Yes. So now come to the Windsurf. I already opened it, and Windsurf is a platform. IDE where we can have the integrated with the AI. So you don't need to ask another AI to work on it. So itself having an AI agent here. So you all just need to do give the prompt and get the output as the code. Okay. So yeah, I already mentioned that we are going to use the Flutter, right? So for that, I'm going to create a new Flutter project for our application. Okay. So no more delay, I'm going to click Control Shift P, and it would be open the command box, and I'll just type Flutter new project. So I'll see, I'm having Flutter new projects. I'm going to click it, and once you click it, it just asks you to select the template, what the type of the template you are going to choose. So I'll go with the this template, and it asking me to select a folder where it where the application going to create. So I'll just click on the desktop and select the project, and here we just need to give the project name for it. So as of my project is chart application, so I quickly give it as chart application. So once I click on it, once I given, so click enter, and the Flutter going to be created here. The Flutter project would be created here fully. So you can see that the all files are creating. So I'm having idea and tool, Android, iOS, and lot of that. I already mentioned that Flutter is an framework, right? So it could be, I could be able to do apps for Android desktop and Mac OS, Windows, and iOS, whatever the type of the device. I could be able to do with the Flutter. Okay, so this is the biggest advantage with the Flutter. So yeah, no more delay. Let's run our application once. Flutter run speed Chrome. Yes. So I'm just running in the Chrome. So let's see the output once, and later on we are going to proceed. So here I can see able to see that the AI, once I click on it, so it could be able to open the AI where I could able to give it the prompt. It could be able to understand the prompt, and it going to the change the code base here. So it asking me to explain this code base. So I just click accept. Once I mean, why I'm just giving it as, so once the information what we have here, once the AI understand, it will be able to do better, right? So that's why I just click explain this code base. I think it's all done. Yes. So yeah, so let's see our output first. So I can able to see that, guys, I already done a video about how to create the fully AI chart application. So if you missed the video, just go ahead and see. I'll be also tagging that video in the description. If you want, then you can go and check it out. Yeah, I think now I am perfect. I'm just having the demo application, as we can see. Yeah. So well, so yeah, now we are good to go for prompting. So I already done a prompt. I'll quickly show it. Yes. So yeah, here we can see I have already written the prompt. I'll just explain. So let me click on enter. So yeah, so I just saying that I just want you to assume as a great app developers. So as I also told that we just need to give it as a what are the things that is going to be do. So if I mention this, that the AI would understand. Yeah, it could be I mean understand, then it would be do the things as per the developer. Okay. So yeah, and now I just want to build an app for chatting one to one, and small things I have given. So I'll be tag this prompt also in the description. If you want, then you can also go with it. So I think it was asking me to click accept. I think it was running a command. Here we can see that the command has run successfully, and it was creating some files, and it was also edit the main.dot file, but I wasn't able to see the edit which was it. So anyway, we can see that the constants dot has created, and main.dot also created. So you don't need to check this all actually. So if you don't know how to code, how to do this all, you don't need to worry about what are the files that are giving, nothing else. So only you just need to ask AI to create what are the application that you would like to do. Okay, so that's the thing you just need to describe to the AI. So well, I think the AI is also created the splash screen for our application, and a login file also. Yeah, here we can see user pays. So only thing you just need to understand how to give the prompt. So I already have a video about how to give the prompt. If you miss, and then just go ahead and watch it. It was a very interesting video how to create the right prompt for the AI. So I already done a two videos about of it. If you missed, then go ahead and check it also once you're done. So please do subscribe. So let's wait for the output. I think it was creating some files and thinking and analyzing the all files. So and the best part with the Windsurf and the cursor and all the IDs, we don't need to worry about the what we call it, errors. It was able to understand the error and fix the errors also. So I think it was done. So let's quickly accept this all and open the terminal as well and go to the terminal. And I think yes. So quickly shift plus R. I think we just need to do it again. So run the application again. Just deleted this. Here we can see we got an error actually, and I can able to see that the error. I think it wasn't a package error. There's no need to worry. So let us run it again. Yeah, now it was working. So there's no error we are going to face because it was an importing error. So, yeah, that's it. So it was running in the Chrome. We can also able to see and click on the right click and go to inspect to the landing page and set the diamond to whatever the thing you want. Like I think I'm having sign in page, but I don't know why it was having send magic link. What it was? Let us quickly check it. I think I didn't also um, connect with the Supabase also. I think it was an error showing, but in the sign in page we don't need to send the magic link, right? Let us ask it the AI what the intention that it have. Input field only, and I see there was a button as send magic link. I don't know about the magic link, but I just need that the password input field for the signing and for the signing and also make sure that there should be a redirect button for the sign up. Okay. And this should be work even I connect with let's say so it should be work if I connect with the Supabase. So I just given as I have the sign in page, but it was having the email. I just told it what are the things that I'm going to tell my friend also. Okay, so it could be able to understand. I think let us taste once. So we just need to make sure that we have project URL and the unknown key. We just need to give in the project as well. So I think it was creating the restart page and it was updated. I mean, I think updated the login page also. So let's wait for the transformation, how it could be, I mean, how it works. So I think right now it working. on the login page. Here we can see the code also. So if a developer want to build an app, he just need to do the all things as per that. What are the things he's going to do? Like if he wanted to do an chatting application, he just need to understand all the things. What are the pages that he is going to do? A lot of stuff. But here we are not worried about of it. Yeah, I think it was done. Just click accept all and click shift R. So shift R is the shortcut key for the hard reload, and here we can see that hard reload can be work with the R also. I think we have this. Let us check. Yeah, I think we are good to go. So let us connect this with the Supabase. I think we are having the Supabase integration here. We can see that. So let us come to the Supabase, and what are the application you have just I mean project we have created. Just go and scroll down and go to the project URL and copy it and paste it here. And also again come to here and click on the anon key. I mean copy the anon key and come to here anon key and paste the anon key here. Okay. So once you done this, go to the terminal and again click shift R, and now we just need to create an account. We don't have any account, right? So we just need to create, and let's say I just want to create a dummy, right? So I'll click as give as the email Shiva at the rate of Gmail, and yeah, I'm going to give password as something, and I just need to yeah. So I think I'm just good to go. Let's say email address invalid. I don't know why. Yeah, I think Gmail is the spelling. I clicked it wrong. Yeah. Now let's see. Is it invalid? Let's say my account. So I think it's working out now. Yeah. After that, I'm having this error. So let us test. Is my account is created or not in the database? Yes, I think having a user as this, and I didn't verify, right? I just need to verify to my email. Let's say open my email and see does I having the Supabase code for it. I think I didn't get any code confirmation from the Supabase as for the verification. Let us also again refresh. So I think it wasn't time. So let us I had a new user here. I think we are unable to see, right? So let's say Siva at the rate of gmail.com. We are going to create a new user here from the Superbase itself. So I'm just created a new user. So let's say quickly check it is work or not. So I'm also running. Yes. So if you have any doubts or something, you can come to the com- comments and ask it whatever the questions you have in your mind. And you can also, if you have any questions related to this, please do comment or let me know whatever the thing. I mean, uh, question you are having. You can also contact me in the WhatsApp or Instagram also. I'm going to leave the numbers also. Yeah, now I think I'm having the panel as the user panel, right? So but I don't able to see the profiles and nothing. It was showing us null something, right? So cause why it was happening? So initially I already told that all the things would be show in the table, right? So we don't have any tables here, right? So we all already asked AI to create a schema file, right? So it is the schema file and it was having the code, right? So just quickly control A and control C as for the copying. Okay, so once you copied that, just come to the SQL editor and then new SQL spin it, click on it, and just paste what are the copied SQL code, and just come to the here and click run. And once you run this, you'll be able to see the success no rows written, right? Once you have this, just click Ctrl R and you'll be able to see the no error, right? So but I don't able to see the users, right? So let's see what are the tables that the code has created. So I can see that there is no users in the profile, so that's why there is no users showing, and there is no messages also. So here we are only having the two tables. Let's see. Let's say I just want to stop the verification and want to test the users. So I'll quickly come to the sign up by providers and click on the email and stop the confirm email. Oh wait, I think it was, yes, yes. So yeah, I'm going to off this confirm email and click on save. And once you saved and run the application again as in the code, controller, shifter, and here we can see the same, right? So I'll just quickly log out and creating a new account. So let's say I just want to create a new account, right? I'll give as my another email and giving the password also and my name Siva. So let's say for that identification I'm giving it number 2 as the account number. Okay, so once you created your email, please check your email, but it was a default message. We actually not got the email confirm email verification because we have enabled, option denied, right? So let's see, is my profile is coming or not in the profiles. So I see there was no profile is saved in the profiles, right? So let's say refresh again. So the users is not showing in the profiles and not showing the web, app also, right? So once the users show here and the users would be show in the app also. So to do that, you just need to describe that what are the things you are facing up. So let's say I just quickly copy this and give it here. I have run this SQL in my SQL editor, but whenever I open the tables, the users are not showing. So even I have created the three users, right? We have created three users, right? but there wasn't any user showing in the app or in the tables, right? So let us ask it, and let's say what it's going to be do. So I mean, I think it's going to be give another SQL code. So we just need to run it again. So I think it could be work. Let's see how much it could be analyze and do the things. So here we can see that the it's a common excellent question. Superbase isn't not most channels. So something it was tell, and it was writing the so functions and trigger functions. So let's say quickly copy this and come to the SQL editor and click on the new and paste it and click on run. So I think we have right. So let's go to here and just click refresh. Yeah, I think we have the profiles right now, and we have the names of the profiles. What are the things we have, and let's see is was the users showing here or not. I think we are having two users. Initially we're having three users. The user having this user having these two, right? This user having these two. So likewise it's analyzing, and let's say I just want to message with the Shiva. So I just quickly go here and say hi. Yeah, I think the message was going. Let's say another device we are going to use run the application. Let's test was it working or not, was the message is coming to me or not. So actually the entire UI, I didn't like the entire UI, right? But we can change it. We don't need to worry about the UI. So the what are the things that are appearing here, we don't need to worry. We can change those all. Let's see is it work or not. Yeah, it was running in the Chrome again, and quickly go to the inspect and set in a dimensions as per my application. Yes, yes. I think I'm good to go, and I'm going to log in my the previous account. So I'm going to enter my password also. So once I enter, just going to click log. I think there's an error. Yes, my, and let's say email not confirm. Yeah, I think previously we don't didn't any email confirmation for this account, right? So we can see that email waiting for the email. So, but I think I didn't get any email from. So let's say log into another account. Um, Instead of this, I'm going to use another account. Yes, here we can see two users, right? And as well in the another application also we are going able to see another one, right? So let us quickly test with these two users. So I'm going to no name person say hi, and this is the account that is the no name, and Shiva, I think this was no. Yes, I think I just said hi to the person who has no name. Here, this is the account Siva2, and this was is the no name, right? Here, when I'm typing hi, it was getting hi. So let's say here, say hi. We can see it wasn't hi showing, but it was showing as well the previous one, but it was showing in the down, right? What we just need to do. So let's uh, go to the tabular and Click on the real time. I think yeah, real time is already on. Let's test once more. So whenever I send a message, it was showing. I mean, going previously, like right a previous one. Here I'm getting all the previous one, right? So let's quickly take a screenshot of the both and come to the what we call Windsurf and paste the image. So let's say what are the things that we are facing off. So whenever I send the message, it was actually showing as previously I was sent. So the previous sended message is showing as the just now came message, but when I send it now, send a message now, it was showing as I was sent it previously. So I just quickly click the enter and I also attached the screenshot. So let the AI think what was happening. It could be able to understand the thing and it could be done. So I think it was thinking. Yes, I was supposed to have a suitable common real time patient. Yes, I think it was editing the chart base. Here we can see that chart page as it ascending as a false or something. I don't know what exactly it was writing, but something it was writing. So you're welcome. Something user page also it was changing. I think it was done. Let's test once more. I just quickly shift plus R and this one also. Let's test both of them. So I'll going to check on no name and here Siva too and click hi. I clicked hi. It was giving right. So not like before. Whenever I send a message, it was showing as the previous one, right? So here, let's say here hi. Yeah, it was coming right. Now it worked properly, and it was working properly. But I didn't like the UI and all the things, right? So I just quickly asked it, just add some more features to it and make it super attractive interface and add the best features to it. So I just give it a small small prompt as add the features and it should be I mean super attractive. That's it. Mm, and also we can able to see the messages. What are the messages that was sent? So here is the context. I only shared the hi, nothing I said. So this is the sender ID and this was the receiver ID. So yes, here we can see the database, how the data would be work, the profiles and the auth users and use auth users and the yeah, it wasn't a showing like how the flow would work. If you want, you can also able to see this all. And this was the storage and where we're going to store the files. I think we're having the avatars bucket. I think it was taking a plan as adding the notes about the user preference, like more interactive, something. It was doing this all. and I think it was going to do some more bigger. Yeah, I think as I have expected, it was taking the image bigger, and it was asking me to run pubget. Yes, quickly run it, and it was changing something as profile page. I think we don't have any profile page previously. I think it was going to create. Yes, that's great. Having a profile page is more attractive to the users, so not just as a chatting with. Yeah, I hope all guys will understand how easily we can do the applications without knowing any single line of code, without doing any single line of code also, right? So the only thing you just need to know how to write the perfect prompt, and how to communicate with the AI. So whenever I have the problem, I just asking it as my friend. If I'm having a problem, I just going to ask my friend, right? Likewise, I'm also chatting with the AI. So when you tell the all emotions, it could be able to understand your problem and give you the best solution. So I think there wasn't a universal truth, as we can't able to cheat the data, right? So if you are cheat the data, as you are hiding the things that you have in your problem, the data will not focus on it. You will be having the severe things, right? Likewise, you don't, here what I'm saying is, likewise the data here is also AI. So you just need to tell the what are the things that you are facing off. Okay, like yes. So I think it was stuck, or else it was creating, it was actually getting some more time. So I don't want to waste my time, so I just quickly give it as continue again. So let the AI would recall the all the things, and doing this all the things. Okay. So I think we are having a trouble as our credit has gone. So let us shift this Gemini 2.5 promo to Gemini 4.1. I think it was also good. Yeah, it was generating. I don't know how the promo would work, but I'm expecting it was going good. I think it was also going to edit the song. I think it was adding the app bar. Here we can see the app bar, right? Currently we are having logout button and the users, right? It was going to add something. Yeah, as a image you are also. Yeah, I think it was going taking some good. Let's see how it going on. Like what are the things it's going to do. I'm very excited to see this all stuff. I think it was adding image picker, text field format, and all the things. That's fantastic. It was also again adding something in the user page. We can see that the circular, yeah, it was an avatar as the image holding them. Here also search use, yeah, it was adding a search field to search the users. I think it was currently working so hard for us. I just feel, just asked it to do something better, but it was doing some more things. That's great actually. So I think this file we have already run it. We can't able to add this one. If you're going to copy this all and go to the Supabase, once you run it, it couldn't be work because we have already the files, right? Tables. So we just need to ask the AI again to give this all functions and all the things. For that, I would tell you what are the things we just need to make sure of. We don't need to worry for anything. So let us quickly go to here and go to the SQL editor and just quickly copy this all, copy and come here, paste this, and also copy the new things here and copy it also. And yeah, so just tell I have previously run this. So please give me the new SQL code what I would need to run again. Make sure that I have previously run the above codes. So what I'm just saying is I have already previously run the SQL codes. So make sure that, and you just need to give me the things that as the new things only. Okay. So it was saying that setting up the real chance something something. It was thank your patience. Yeah, it was doing some more changes also. So let us wait. I think we got an error here. Uh, let the AI would do this all the things. I think here we can able to solve the issue, but I don't want to solve this all. Let the AI work on it. Here we can see the lot of analyzing it was doing on, and here we can see that the chart page has analyzed, and it was changing some more things and having three errors right now. And I think it was doing some research from the web. Here we can see the web icon as it was doing in the web. It was also connected with the web. So Windsurf is an very good platform for IDE to do this all the things, cause it could be able to search the all things in the web also. So it could be able to grab the all the things what are the real currently using code, how to write this all the things. So here we can see I have read the description discussion and working something it was doing this all. Let's wait. We don't have actually anything to do. Let the AI only need to do. Yeah, we can see it was writing a lot of thought process. Wow, it was doing some more things. Yeah, so, just quickly copy this out. Got. Let's quickly continue this. So I think for this also we have haven't the credits. So for GVT promo also we don't have any credits. Let's switch to SEO limited. SW1 limited. I think it was not working. Let's reward this and confirm click. Let's click enter. Let now the AI would work on it. I don't know how these models are work. Pretty much good. Uh, using the Gemini 2.4 Flash. I think yeah, 2.5 Pro. So it was a good model, but I don't have any credits. You don't need to worry actually. Let's again go to the terminal. I think it was generating too slow. This was the model. I think it was doing very laggy. So I think we're having an error right on, let's say off. I don't know what the things I'm doing now. I think it was on. I think it was taking too much time. Yeah. So yeah, we can see it was a simple error. We can do this also. Able to. It was also error. I think it was doing something like I don't know why it was mentioned as subscriber, not real time status. Blah blah blah. So the model is currently working on understanding this all. So let us test it once again. How our applications was working. I think Siva too, right? So how are you? How are you? Say hey, I can see. How are you? I'm good. Thanks for asking. How about you? Yeah, we can see we got a message. I think it was working properly. The only thing we just need to make sure better UI and some of features as sharing the images and all the things. So I think it was taking too much time. I don't. Okay. Before this, I think it was taking some more time, right? Yeah, it was doing. Yeah, I think the errors was gone. Let us run the two applications again. The both are currently running. I can able to see the interface. We can able to see the profile page. Here I can able to see the profile as the name I have. And let's see was the image picker is not working. I think in the web the image picker wouldn't be work. Yeah, profile updated. Yes. Let's say here as Ravi as the name of the person. Let's update it. Yeah, we can see here as a Ravi, and yes, I think it was much better from previous one. So the shades here, linear shade, it is truly good. Well, now I just want to ask it AI to think about of my previous one. So I have already run the SQL command, right? So, well, it was telling me that I'm happy to create the SQL. Here is SQL. You just need to issue table. Yeah, I think it was giving me some extra things uh, uh, that we just need to copy and paste in the SQL editor and going to run it again. This is how it works. Yeah, I think it was pretty much good as compared with the all the things. It was super thing. Yeah, I think it was done. Let's quickly copy this. Copy this. Yes. So let's go into this escalator and click on new and paste it and click on run. So I think it's going to be yeah. So, no rows are returned successfully. It was work. Let's see how many tables has been created. I think it was created in another table as typing events. So I didn't was I don't know what is the use of that. Let's check. So the typing chat room, and I think the chat rooms and all the things is typing. So yeah, let's see. I just want to type, and here I just want to see. So I think yeah, here we can see the active one. So here is the active one. The persons who are active, those will be showing as the active one. So let's say I'm just typing here. Here we can I think here we can see that is I'm typing. So I think there wasn't the feature as typing, but it was showing as the online person. So if I'm online, it could be show. Let's say hello. So I just want to say hello. Message failed. There was an error message as failed to send message, but I received this message. Let's say here also. Just quickly copy this. I mean, take a screenshot and come to the Windsurf. Just paste the image and ask it as even the message is coming to my another account. It was showing as failed to send message. So please fix this error and let you remove the error currently. Because we don't need, I mean we are not facing any errors, right? The message is sending, but it was showing as a fail to send message, but the actual message is sending, right? So that's why I'm just saying this. So I just quickly entered. Let's see what were the things it's going to work. I'll help the fix the message. So let's also once again try this. Hi. Here we can see a fail to send message, but I'm getting the message, right? So that was the issue we are facing of, and I pretty much liked the active one. So if I'm acting, it was showing as the active. That was a fantastic cool feature. So here we can see that the image also, but wouldn't be work in the web. So we are running in the web, right? so it was wouldn't work. So if you want to test it, you can open your mobile and download the APK. It could be work there. So I think it was planning. So to fix the error, it was analyzed the files. Currently, it was analyzed, and it was just now take a plan. Let's see. There was no things here. We can see the things here also. The Ravi has just before changed the name. In the context where the messages are here, I think it was editing the chat page. Let's see what are the things it was going to edit it. I think it was edited something. No, no, no. It wasn't. Here we can see that it was currently done. Um, I think it was give us something. I changed. Let's test once. Let's shift R and here also. Yes. Let's check the outputs. So I'm going to open the active ones and say hi. Actually, I'm getting the error. Still, it was showing as it wasn't work while I'm sending the message. It will message the coming, but the error has showing me the thing. Yeah, it wasn't. So we just need to update the code for this. Let the AI would work for this, but let's let's wait for that. And we can see that the error here, uh, but the message is sending, right? We just need to make sure that he was actually planning it again, what to do, fail to improve the error handling. So I think currently it was planning. So let's see how much it work. If it is one doesn't work, we're going to use another tool for this. I think this if one, I mean, if take that was the error we are having. I think it was in taking that on. Let's quickly accept and let's see what are the changes you're going to do. So let's also try once here. Hi. So I'm getting an error, but here I can see that the messages came, right? But the only thing I'm having as it was showing an error, but not actually. It was an error. So I think this is the code that showing the error. So I think if you remove this, maybe work better. I don't know. Let us wait for the AI would write. If it is one work, we'll manually do this. We can see it was still working on, but it was not showing. I think it was taking 1054 credits. Let us ask it as continue. Yeah, I think it was done something. Let's wait. So let's check. It was checking it once. Until then, we are also going to check. I think we have both two of them. Let's say hi, hi. Well, still it was having the error, but the message was gone. I think currently it is working, but I just want it to do better. So what I just need to do. Currently, it was having something right. It was doing this all things. So let us wait until it was done. If it's not work, we are going to take an action. So the coolest part is the Supabase. Yeah. So we didn't done anything as great, but by single click it was created the tables and all the things, right? So this is how the Supabase would work. It was I think like too easy to use the Supabase, even though you don't know any coding skills or Supabase using skills. So I think this model is taking some more time, but we don't have any credits. Let's wait for that. If you have any, I mean, if you have credits, then you can go whatever the model you would like to do. Yeah, I think it was done something. Let us test it again. So, Shift plus R. Here also Shift plus R. So I think the both are refreshing. So I think it was work. I mean, it would work now. Let's see once. Hello. Our son has hello. I'm getting is the message hello, but the sending message it was still showing me as invalid, failed to send invalid or something. Let us stop this running. It wasn't work right. Fix this. Even though I have sent the message and the user is also getting the message. but still it was showing me as the screenshot which I was uploaded to you. Please fix this error. If I send a message to my friend, he could be able to get it, and I wouldn't be see any other message like now which I was able to. Currently it was working but only showing it as it's still working. The message is sending. So I just written a simple thing as to understand the AI. I think it was lag something. So the system is something lag. It was not showing the message still. I wasn't be able to move anything here. Here we can see the cursor is doesn't work. So I think the stuff has changed here. I think there was an error. Yeah. Why the Windsurf is not responding? Yeah, I think it was working. Yes, it was working now. Yes, here we can see it was saying that failed to send message API even though message is being sent successfully. The problem is like to do the Supabase responding handling. Let's update the send message method handling response more efficiently. Actively. So yeah, it was again doing the changes in the code. Let us wait until it was done. I think it's going to be work. Yeah, I think it was done two changes. I don't know. I think it's previous one changes those all. Yeah, here we can see it was deleted this all, and it was only added this, and it was deleted some of them and added some like this. Yeah, let's see. Let's test once again. So, what is it work or not? I don't know. It work or not. Let's say hi. Yeah, I mean it's working good. We are not having any issue as failed to send all the things. Now it's perfectly working. So the only thing we just need to do is update the UI. So for updating the UI, we don't use the actually AI of Windsurf. We just going to use the another AI tool as in the Chrome. So I just quickly go to the Grok as this was a better model right now for understanding things and doing the all the changes in the Yeah, it was taking it's like this. So change the UI and with the existing code, make the UI to be more better and attractive. So I just give it as do the changes in the UI, and I just give it as make sure that I mean with the existing code. I just mentioned that existing code should be work as previously. The only thing I just want to make sure that the UI should be, I mean UI would better. Okay, so that's what I just told. So I think it was doing fastly. So let us also ask for the register. We're almost done for this also. So just quickly copy the previous one and come back to this and go to the login page and paste. And we don't need to do this all the things. Just cut this all because it's working right. We only need to make sure about the remaining things. Only the code we just need to make sure. And the chart page. Profile page. So it was truly simple to asking the AI to do the changes, right? We are not actually doing this all the things, right? So the AI was doing the rest of the code and rest of the things. I think it was not working well. So give it again. I think now it's going to work. So until then, we are going to run it again for seeing the output. I'm also again running in the Chrome. Here we can see the chart page code hiding in by the AI again. Until then, we are running just. Here we can see a lot of code we are having. The application is also running in the Chrome as well. Let's see the better output in the dimensions as well. So here we can see the UI totally changed as per before. We can see it was super much good. It was truly great thing that the AI was done. So that's why I suggest you to choose the Grok for changing this all. So I think this splash screen we didn't see any splash screen still, but the AI was done. So yeah, let us quickly log in once. I think I have forgot the email. Yeah, this interface wasn't changed, right? Let's change. I think we done almost all files. I think we have this too. I think the constants we don't need to change. So here we can see only the code we have. So it's a constants place. We don't need to change this all. I think we just need to change the main dot file code. No, no, no. We also no need to change. There wasn't any pages or all the things. So this is the last file we are changing. Once we done, we are going to. I mean, good to go for checking the output. Yes. Once we done, just click restart, and I hope the UI would be better. Yeah, we are having the splash screen and having the users also. Yeah, it was good, pretty much good rather than before. But I don't like this thing. I just ask AI. I was familiar with the so WhatsApp, right? I don't know which file code is for this screen, but I didn't like the UI of that. I was expecting the WhatsApp interface. So please give like that. So I just said that I don't know which file of code it was. So I think it was saying that it was a user phase. So it was updating that. Let's see how it works. It was doing the code again. Let us update it the code again. So we are having the error actually. It was in a color error. Yeah, now it's perfect. Yeah, I'm having the like what we called. We can see the profile also and the chat interface just like the WhatsApp. And but these are the things. It was working good, and the profile. These two we don't have, right? Let's ask AI to remove this, and this button should be work. Use the previous colors and make sure that remove the status and the call. We don't have those. Use the colors as like previous, not green. So and I quickly said that about the colors and this, and I'm going to ask about the message. I see that you have added message button in the down. Whenever I tap on it, it should be reach me the switch page. So I just give it as simply what I just want, and this was pretty much good actually. So this was all super cool actually, and this wasn't work. These are the things we don't have these pages. We have this also, and we could able to see the profile also. That was excellent. Yeah, it was working. I think let's update within any file. Let's say this. I think it was good. Avatar updated. Yeah. So let's see. I think we can't able to see our profile, right? So, we could able to see in other profiles. I mean other things. I think we're having the same error again. Let's click. So let's see how the UI would be. I think it was given the previous one, and it was added this. Anyway, it was also good, but didn't like this. Yeah, it was super cool. Let's go with this. It was good, good. So okay. At last we have done this all. So I just want to make this as APK for anyone can use in the mobile also. So for that I just want to build APK. Before that I just need to make sure that I'm having the Android. You don't need to change this all. Currently I'm having this error only, so that's why I'm just working on it. I'm just having the NDK problem, so that's why I'm doing this all. You don't need to do this all if you are um, newly installed in your system. So once I this, I just go into queue as clean, and then flutter popget. So I'm also running this, and then flutter build APK. So just run this build APK. Once you run it, you'll be able to share the APK file. So if you share through WhatsApp to your phone, you could be able to see the output in your mobile also. I'll be sure how it works. So, but it was super, pretty much good, all working functionality, and the cool part, the messages and all the things were working superbly, right? So let us wait until the APK was built. Yeah, we can see it was building the APK. Yeah, we can see that our chat application, what the AI was done, it was given us as a plan. I mean, um, like this, it was superb. Mm, to understand the what are the things it was done and task what are the task it was done. It was pretty much good. I think we didn't get any bin folder. I mean build folder. So I think it was take some more time. Let us wait. Yes, here we can see our APK has successfully built. So what we just need to do now, just go back to the desktop. As earlier, I had selected the project in the desktop, right? So I just quickly go to the desktop and click on the folder, and then I would go to the build and later on app. Here we can see the path. The path already mentioned here. You can also go like this, and then outputs, and then APK and release. And here is the APK we currently having. You could be able to share to your friends and family members as you have done your project. So let us quickly show you how, I mean, how it works in the mobile. Yeah. So right. So here is the APK file. I'm going to share to my WhatsApp. I'm going to share to my WhatsApp and then click on enter. You can see I'm just sharing this to my WhatsApp. The APK is going to send now, and then you just need to go to your WhatsApp and just open with the APK, and you're good to go to use the app as well. Okay, so this is how the app would work. I can see that it was sent, and that's it, guys. And the output in the mobile would be show here. And thank you everyone, for still now you are seeing the entire process. I hope you got an idea how to do the app with the AI. So thank you, and do please subscribe and like, share.